Turn indicator on a Nissan Micra or a Nissan March 2006. It looks quite tricky, but it is actually quite easy to do once you know how. So if you come in here, I'm going to take these out, and if you just stay there, I'll show you how I do that. I just get, sometimes they can get quite brittle, but you just get underneath there, pop it up, and then go underneath that, and that will stop the flaring, and then it's out. And there's one other to do over here. It's just a little bit different, but here we go, and out it comes. A little bit of a cable there, but it's not interfering too much. Now you can't get to the bulb from in here, it's just too busy. So this is nearly ready to come away, but you've just got to reach under here. You won't be able to see, so just do it from the top. And there's 4 little clips. If you pull it away, you'll be able to see the clips, but you just push the little tab up, and that's 1. There's 2 over here. There's 4 of them. There's the, oh look, there we go. I think there might be, oh there's 3 of them, sorry. And so therefore, here it is here, push that. You can take the, well you can just leave that in there, and there's the bulb there. That's easy. That's it for today, just nice and quick and short. I didn't know how to do this, and I looked around and couldn't find a YouTube, and it was actually, I thought, quite hard. I started pulling everything apart, but that was how you do it. Thank you very much.